Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by opening Capcut and importing your video clip and any overlay image. Place the main clip on the timeline and position the playhead where you want editing to begin. Trim or split the clip so you work with a 10 to 30 second segment for faster processing. Make sure the clip scale is 100% and the rotation is 0 before removing the background. This preparation avoids misalignment and preserves resolution when you apply the Remove Background tool later. Decide between AI Remove Background and Chroma Key based on your footage type. Choose AI Remove Background when the subject has clear contrast and no green screen is available. Choose Chroma Key when you filmed against a green or blue screen and can adjust similarity. When using Chroma Key, set similarity between 10 and 40 and adjust edge feathering incrementally. For difficult edges, combine AI removal with manual mask feathering of 3 to 8 pixels for smoother blending and fewer artifacts. After initial removal, refine edges using Capcut mask tools like ellipse, rectangle, or brush. Paint or invert the mask and adjust feathering and expansion until edges look natural. If any background remnants remain, use manual eraser strokes or duplicate the clip and apply alternate removal settings. For transparent output, export as a PNG sequence or as a video with alpha channel when your device and version support it. Export at your original resolution and frame rate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.